paglabas mo ng kusina, ito ang bubungad sa'yo. Okay. Harvest time tayo ngayon, hapon. Kasi oras na ng feeding at saka paglilinis.
Blessed day for you and I, underneath the endless sky. Peace and love, our spirits fly. Hand in hand we reach so high.
Kompleto, isang tray.
Blessed day for you and I, underneath the endless sky. Peace.
Okay, so 2:30. 39 lahat. 39 eggs yung na-harvest. So mamayang gabi, meron pa yan kasi kahapon nasa 45 yung na-harvest. So 21 weeks old na RTL. So almost 50% na yung egg production. Then nagre-range na siya sa small to extra small sizes, and sometimes may medium na. Okay,